The doctor said, hey, we need to do this. And I didn't think that was the solution. I think it was more toxin driven. And so the nice thing with deeper healing is, well, you're going to do all the tests. You're going to be able to do it here and then take whatever you can home and have the equipment at home.
At the end of the day, the way to sustainable long-term health is to remove the junk that's making us sick and not put more in. Welcome to the Deeper Healing Podcast. I'm your host, Danielle Howley. This is for everyone who's been dismissed, misdiagnosed, or told to just live with it and refuse to accept that answer. You're going to hear amazing patient recovery stories, raw and real in their own words. People who found answers after everything had failed them. You're going to hear from medical experts we trust that are pioneering new approaches to healing the body because we deeply know we're designed to heal. Let's dig in. Hi, everybody. I am here today with an amazing guest. His name is Mike, and he traveled to Deeper Healing from Kansas. And I just love what you're doing right now. He's doing a deep dive, looking for environmental toxins. He's done his deep blood panel. He's doing the Rejuvenace Cellular Cleanse. And what is so cool is he has already predetermined that he's going to be buying this whole setup for home, which honestly, that is huge. That is really huge. So first question, how did we get here?
Well, I had some issues with not feeling well and did some research and realized I probably had toxins in my body, and then found out we had mold, run some tests here. And the cool thing with that is I was able to test and then do an at-home test for mold.
You know, it's interesting that a lot of people ask for this deep dive thing that you're doing because of the movie. Did you see the movie? Did you see the Body Burden documentary?
I haven't seen that one
Okay,
yet.
so in the movie, the guy from Canada comes down and he does a 5-day and he does the cleanses and he does all the testing. And then he makes all the changes at home. And then he finishes the movie with, it's been 1 year since I had my deep dive, and this is what happened to me. So you're basically doing that. You're basically
Yes.
doing what the movie recommended. And we realize that's something that a lot of people around the country, need, because you don't have access to, the kind of testing that we offer here. And then also like the path. So you're going to get all of that. So amazing. So, but you had said to me, you think some of your exposures were occupationally driven. So tell
Correct.
us a little bit about your history.
So I own a cleaning company, and so with the chemicals, I'm sure with the plastics that I use and the environments that I'm in with houses, doctor said, hey, we need to do this, and I didn't think that was the solution. I think it was more toxin driven. And so the nice thing with deeper healing is, well, you're going to do all the tests. You're going to be able to do it here and then take whatever you can home and have the equipment at home and go that route.
And at the end of the day, the way to sustainable long-term health is to remove the junk that's making us sick and not put more in. And, it's funny, cleaners have a huge problem because not only are they using toxic products, and a lot of times I'll say to someone like, Lysoling your baby's not good for your baby. And they laugh. But, then other people will say, but I thought I was keeping my baby safe. How do you know Lysol's bad? And I'm not picking on Lysol, but you can just look at the label. They're very well, toxic, bad for your skin, bad for your eyes. Do not use in a room that is not well ventilated. Well, we know we're in a bathroom. We're in a closed room. It's wintertime. It's in Kansas. People are using toxic chemicals that are so normalized. Hotel rooms,
Yes.
schools, germiciding, everything. And around the children, around the babies, every daycare center, every surface is germicide. Then what do the kids do? They put it right in their mouth. So, and anyone who's been in a occupation where you're high exposure to chemicals, and a lot of times you wouldn't think of cleaning or hairdresser or flight attendant, or, there's so many golf course landscaper, I don't know, where you're just
Exactly.
spraying herbicides, pesticides. I mean, I had a farmer in here. He's like, the stuff was spraying all over me because he was running the sprayers. And he said, I did that every day for 10 years. And then all of a sudden he's like, everyone in my town had cancer. And I'm like, yeah, It's like airborne vaporous chemicals. Okay, so you're hugely ahead of the pack that you even knew to look for that. So not only was it high chemicals, but also moldy environments.
Correct.
So you had the 1-2 punch, which is a lot of people. So having the ability to not only do the mold protocol, but also to be able to do Rejuvenace at home. With lots of people that I've seen with a chronic illness, once they put the system at home, not only did they get their brain improves, their skin improves, their body aches, all the things, but then all of a sudden they're like, hey, honey, you need to do it. All of a sudden it's like, you're doing it, your wife's doing it, your kids are doing it. Like you'll have a little setup in your house where you can be helping other people that you love and care about stay well for the long haul. So tell me, how did you find deeper healing?
I kind of just do tons and tons of research, and I find something, and then I get a call from Alexandria, and I'm like, well, she's telling me all this stuff. And I'm like, she knows more than most of my local doctors at home. And I wanted just to know more. Tell me more. What are you talking about? I would stop her several times. And so then I realized I would take another look at this. And if they would allow me to come and get
Deep
the
dive, the
deep dive.
testing and try the cleanse out. So,
Yes,
I mean, what I love is by doing the cleanse here, you're training yourself as well. Because otherwise you'd be going home, you'd be putting the equipment up and you'd be like, okay, well, now what? Like, how do I
right.
actually do this? So, doing by learning is
Doing
really
by
how
learning.
you
Yes.
absorb it in. So he's here this week doing Rejuvenace every day, getting the testing, having your lab review.
It's the full thing.
It's
It's
the full
everything.
thing. And then you know what's going to happen. This is what always happens. Your wife's going to go, well, wait a minute. What
Yeah.
about me?
You're feeling much, much better. I'm like,
That's what happens. It always is the person with the most going on usually comes in first. And then once you see it, you're like, wait, I want to know. Um, okay. So I need to talk about Alex a little bit because you mentioned her.
yes.
She was probably one of the most skeptical people ever. She was a very sick person who came in and did her own treatments for her and her sick children after going to hospitals all over the country. I'm
Yes.
sure she told you that.
Yes.
And
And I kind of thought it was
too hard to believe.
too hard to believe. And then I started reading the reviews that she left and the stuff. I'm like, this is the real thing.
She also had a failed stem treatment. And she talks a lot about that, where she felt like she put a lot of money and effort into going. I think she went to Mexico and her thing was, this was another failed thing that happened. And what I love about deeper healing when we talk about stem cell, because stem cell is rebuilding. You can't rebuild on a toxic foundation. So if all of us are dealing with, now yours is high chemical, high mold, and to be determined with your metals test isn't even back yet, but we'll soon find out. That's the trifecta right there. And then if you're pushing stem cell into a body that is already pummeled with toxins, you're not getting the maximum efficacy out of
Correct.
it. And that's assuming you're getting good stem. And that's a whole other thing. I'm sure you did a lot of research, and I know there's a lot of people doing a lot of research on that. And it's not that the rebuilding stem is sound theory, but what no one is talking about is having a clean body to receive it and get the maximum out of it. So I think that's really huge. So what's your experience? What do you think of deeper healing now that you've seen it? Now you're here in person.
Yeah, everybody has been amazing here. The help, the knowledge, pretty incredible.
Is it different than you expected?
Yeah.
Tell me how.
I just thought it'd be more, God, I don't even know, not even sure how to explain it, but, it's so hands-on, and then they show you how to do it. And once you dive in there, I know what to do the next day. And I think everything runs pretty smooth here.
Yeah.
Everybody works together well.
Everyone's always surprised that it doesn't feel like a doctor's office.
Right. Exactly.
It feels
That's
like
what I was trying to say. Yeah.
I always say it feels like your favorite grandmom's house had a baby with a Starbucks. And then underneath all of that, because it's like fun and it's good energy and it's warm, but underneath all that is really high tech medical things, and also a really clean environment. Because obviously, if you're coming in to detox, you need to make sure that you're offering a clean environment. And I can say firsthand, many hospitals that I've been in and many doctors' offices that I've been in
Mhm.
have literally been the opposite of that. So deeper healing is fastidiously chemical free, super clean, air, water, all the things. And you're drinking your really good water there from
Mm,
the center.
yes.
So anyway, Michael, thank you for being willing to share your story.
Wonderful.
Coming
Thank
in from
you.
Kansas, amazing big journey to come in, to really look under his hood and see what's going on, and also to take back the equipment that is going to honestly change your life.
Yes.
And those effects are compounding over a lifetime. So you're doing something amazing and being willing to share your story with other people, because I know there's people out there that are just like you.
Correct. So one final thought that I was thinking is this is going to help so many people. This is just the start of something huge. And like I say, I'm from the Midwest, and this isn't in the Midwest, so it'd be nice to have a deeper healing where we're at.
So many patients do that. They're like, I need this where I live. So what do I always say? You find us a practitioner. You bring us an MD, a nurse practitioner, someone in your state with a medical license, and we will train them. We have all the trainings, we have the courses built, we have the environmental experts, and we want to spread this far and wide. And whenever
By all
people come,
means.
they're like, you need to make the center bigger. And I'm like, the center doesn't need to be bigger. We need more of them.
Yes.
We need more places where people can go so that you don't have to go from Kansas to South Carolina or Maine or Seattle or Dubai or Germany to come here. We need to have more of these. So maybe someone out there who's listening to this podcast is in Kansas and is like, wait a minute, we want to do that. So if
Yes.
you're that person, reach out. We want to do it. All right. And thank you again, Michael.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We hope this episode inspired you. Here's how to go deeper. Visit deeperhealing.com to become a patient. Online, we have loads of courses and a free toxin quiz. Subscribe and please, please share this episode with someone who needs it. It's always that one-on-one support that really gets people to find deeper healing. Remember, this is educational content, not medical advice. The information shared here should be discussed with your own personal healthcare provider. If you're excited by listening to the medical experts or the personal recovery stories on here and you want to start your own deeper healing journey, go to deeperhealing.com and start your process.